Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. We start on the larger time frame. Doge at the moment is performing quite well. Even today, we've got, quite a bit of consolidation across the sector. Not major sell-offs, but some consolidation. And even today, that's actually what I wanted to say. Even today, Doge is holding quite well, actually holding up quite well. And actually, we see a little bit of upside today compared to other cryptos. So Doge is actually up for the day a little bit at least. It's around 2.3%. The price reacted to the trend reversal area we talked about here, to this key pivot, to this juncture, to this support area, however you want to call it. And we are already looking at some further upside from here. The price is already recovering a bit. And the next upside levels to watch are, first of all, the December highs, November and December, around 48.4 cents. That level here needs to be broken before we can unlock prices in the 59 plus cent region. Yeah, this is important because the idea is, and has been, that the market should form one more high anyway in this third wave, which might be unfolding right now. And this third wave, to get that one more high, we need to get a break above that 48.4 cent level. Actually, I did want to see that already here. You might remember that in December, but market didn't want to do it. Market needed to correct, but it didn't break support, right? We didn't break support on the daily time frame, which is obviously the most important element here on the chart. Price did hold. And we might now be going for that one more high that I wanted to see. Okay, so when we have that one more high, then we could get another 4-5 pattern. At least I'm going to be watching for that. Does it need to happen like that? No, I mean, it could go very directly to the target, yeah. This is only an idealized structure. The market doesn't always take the ideal pathway. But it's important to understand what are the support areas if needed. But for now, altcoins are holding well, and Doge specifically. So let's go to the smaller time frame chart for Doge. Yesterday, I already added some micro support levels. We talked about the 1-2 setup before, and it's actually holding, okay, or it did hold. I'm not very convinced by the micro. The problem is that this wave 2, what I've labeled here as wave 2, after this wave 1 to the upside, I mean, I gave you this support area. The price held there, held above it. But normally when we have a nice ABC structure, the C wave would usually end below the A wave low, especially if the B wave is weak, but it didn't do it. So we'll see how that all unfolds. But again, it's not a must, Support held for a wave 2. And now we are watching for the next move to the upside in what would be wave 3. Then we could get wave 4, then wave 5. That's the ideal roadmap now to complete wave 5 of circle wave 3. A 5-wave pattern. Yeah. Now, thinking about it, what might have happened is not a 1-2, but a 1-2-1-2 setup. That's possible. And that would also give us the extensions we need for the price to actually reach that 60 cent level up there. Now, support was between 28 cents and 30.8 cents. 30.3 cents. Now, we don't need that support area anymore. But what I will do for now, I will just remove wave 2 support here. White wave 2 support instead. I did change the color along the way. It's now yellow. So what we need to understand is that what could now be unfolding is a third wave. Probably a third wave. That upside momentum suggests that. And we might see some further extensions. So first of all, what we need to do is to understand where could that third wave actually take us. And the minimum expectation would be the 138% extension. Here we talk about 45.6 cents. It's pretty much roughly where it was already located. Then we should get a wave 4. But that's the first ideal target. So further upside is definitely possible and actually likely. So we have a wave 3, a wave 4. And the wave 5 should get, well, ideally 2 fib levels above where the third wave ends. But we don't know if the third wave will end here at 45.6 cents. We now have to monitor, where we could get some setbacks. Obviously, this third should ideally push a little higher, more likely like 49 cents, which, as we established, is the next fib level, but also structural resistance. So I think it makes sense for the third to get there. Then a fourth wave pullback and the fifth wave could could do the rest. For now, I think it's important to track micro support. So why not add micro support yesterday? In the video, I shared with you that we need to hold this red line. Well, we did, but that's now quite far away. So let's try to establish a support area that is a little bit closer to the price. And the only one that I can really give you with confidence is here, the length of the current third wave. And it's the 23.6 to the 50% fib level there. And this is located between 34.7 cents and 37.2. Does it mean we have to test that level? Absolutely not. But this would be our support area for this potential pullback. Against 34.7 cents, the focus is on higher prices. Yeah, I mean, there are various ways how this could be labeled, but we don't want to get too much into micro counting when we talk about altcoins. So idea is this is now a third wave up, all right? And it should take us higher. And as long as the 34.7 cent level is holding, at least I'd like it to get to the November and December high around 48.5 cents in the coming weeks. So that's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.